Hey YouTube, super quick video on it's my daughter's WK2 2013 Jeep Grand Cherokee WK2 Overland Edition. You can see that the wind damper on the far side is gone. I've already disconnected it, but the spring steel over there is gone, and so ordered a new one. Real quick fix. I don't know if you can see down in there. There's a little, let's see if I can get you in there. Yeah. So there's just a little bar clipped up under a piece of plastic, and push those down. So pop those two out. You can see them now. Here's a little clip. Here's the thing that it clips under. 4 of them I already did the other side. Just pull it up. Straight up and out. You can toss that. I'll put the link. I got this out of Jeep dealer in somewhere in Texas, but they have an online presence. All right, so stick the hole down in the slot, kind of wiggle it backwards, and then just do the opposite. So you can see the clips up under there. Go around to the other side, do the other two. Alright, so 2 more. Just push that down. And last one. And snap up. Now the other one had a bunch of grease on it, so I'm probably just going to get some white lithium grease and put it on there. You can see that the tracks are all greased up. So we'll get a little bit of grease, put it on both ears, and call it good. Thanks for watching. If it was helpful, leave me a comment, leave me a like. I'm probably going to be doing a review on this before I send it back to Nashville, so be looking for that. Thanks again for watching, and let me know if there's other stuff that you would like to see. Take care.